everyone. So today I'll be updating you on the progress of our small garden. So in my garden I mostly have succulent plants, I have flowers, and I have vegetables too. So from the previous video I showed you guys we were planting some flowers with my son. I wanted to update you on that. So the one that I'm touching right now, this is a succulent. So I usually just adjust it because I want it to be full. I want to make a drawing so that it looks like human hair. So I want to make a drawing of a girl so that it looks like hair. And then these are the flowers that we planted. I don't know why they're looking like weeds. So I've been trying to Google search them using Google Photos, and then they're saying they're weeds. There's some like this, they're saying it's basil. So most of the ones that I planted here were mixed flowers and mixed herbs. So I'm really not sure what's coming out. So I have to keep on waiting while just searching them with Google Photos until I'm sure what is the plant that is coming out. So some of them are already flowering. This right here is a plant that I picked at the mall. They say all flower people are thieves. And then these butternut seeds that I left here to dry. So I usually leave them to dry and then I plant them. Like these right here are ones that I had already planted. 2 weeks ago I planted these ones here and they're already coming out. So the one that has dried was what do we call it's called a capsicum, and it dried out, so I have to take it out here. So these are the butternut. They're already looking squishy. Then I have sukuma wiki and I have spinach. Then I don't know what's happening with vegetables. Vegetables are just not working in this tiny farm. And then this right here, I don't know, they just popped out by themselves. I really don't even know what the plant is. This is just a mysterious farm. But then I'm not plucking anything out. Even if it's a weed, I'll let it grow and then I'll decide when it has grown enough. Also this here, I planted them as flowers. It was flower seeds, but then this is how they came out. These other ones look like grass. They look exactly like grass, but then we're just gonna move with it. Then the purple one is the purple queen. Purple queen always relaxed by the end of the row. Yeah, so I'm not going to pluck them out. I'm just letting them grow. And then these are our succulent plants. I wanted to place them in different cans. I thrifted this at the thrift market and I felt like they look nice, the succulent plants. So I'll place them in each one of these and then I can gift people. And then this one is also for seedlings. Today we'll be planting something new, so I'll be using this one for seedlings. And then this is the other succulent. So I don't know why this one is not growing as big as the other one. The other one is flourishing. Also the other ones that I had in these tiny pots, they just dried up and died. So I had left them in the house because I wanted them to look pretty in the kitchen, but then they dried out. Check how cute our wind spinner is. So this one is abandoned because this is where this plant was, the capsicum. It grew and then it just dried out. It never increased in size, it just dried out. So I had to pluck it out and try something else. So these are the flowers that I had planted before. Those this cosmos, bright lights, and buttons. The other names I cannot even pronounce. So these are the plants I planted. And then there's also this, it's like pollinator mix. I just sprinkled and planted them. So I think these are the ones that are growing there and I cannot figure out which is which. And then today we are going to plant the poppy seeds. My favorite cake is usually lemon poppy, and because it has poppy seeds. And then these are the wooden things that I wanted to label all the plants, but I won't be able to label them today because I still can't figure out the plants. So this is the seedling. So first of all, I'll place the soil in the seedling tray and then level it out. because I researched that for lemon poppy seeds you don't have to place them deep, so I'll just sprinkle them and then cover them with soil. So these are the bird feeders that I showed you guys, but then I don't know why the birds are not feeding on this one. These were mostly butternut seeds. I blended them. I think they prefer the other seeds, so I'll have to blend something else. I actually don't know what I'm doing wrong with vegetable gardening. Like, all my vegetables are just failing. I tried sukuma wiki, it's just getting taller and drying up. I tried the bell peppers, I only got one, and then it dried up even before getting in a bigger size. It was like the size of my finger, and then it just dried up. I don't even know what to try next when it comes to vegetables. I'm seeing the weeds and the flowers are working. Or maybe I should stick to that, because something like a succulent plant is so easy. So I don't know, maybe if I'm over watering, because I usually water once or twice the succulent plants in a week, or 3 times in a week, and they flourish. So I thought maybe for vegetables I have to water them every day. Also add fertilizers, homemade fertilizer. So I had all the things that are from the household: banana peels, potato peels, in a bucket of water, and I used that as fertilizer. I've tried everything with the vegetable gardening and it's not working. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but then I think I'll have to try again. I have to try again. Maybe this time round something will work with the vegetables. And then so I'm really going to have to wait for the flowers to pop, because I still cannot identify any of those flowers. I'm just seeing the leaves, and when I research they say they are weeds, so I'm not sure if they will become the flowers that I'm expecting them to be. Because my mission was I can have tiny flowers that I can place in a vase, once, maybe every weekend, in a vase, just in the kitchen, and you see those flowers, and when they dry up I can just hang them in my balcony. That was the vision I had for the flowers. So I'm just gonna wait and see if, because the seedling just came out. Most of the seedlings came out the previous week, so I'm seeing them grow this previous week. So I'm really hoping that the flowers are gonna pop, because I'll cry if none of my things are becoming successful in the garden. I'm gonna cry, because I'm really wanting to get so interested with the small balcony garden, so that by the time I'll be able to buy my acres of land one day, it will be something that I've always looked forward to. I dream of having a big acre of land with so many vegetables, different, and almost every type of flower growing. That is just a big dream. But then I want to start by managing the small garden. They say you cannot ask for bigger things if you cannot manage the smaller things you already have. So I'm really making this work, just as hoping that this is the smaller dreams that we work on while waiting for the bigger dream. So I'll make another video after a month, and I'll update you so that you can see how the lemon, it's called the poppy seeds, how the poppy seeds will be after a month. And then I'll also update you on the butternut seedlings and how the flowers will be, and if I've decided to plant another vegetable and how that is going. So I'll see you in another video.